Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I replace my frontals when they get damaged without destroying my entire unit. So this is why I said it's important to do not sew your last track to your frontal, or do not sew your frontal to your tracks. So first I went ahead and I take the frontal off. As you can see, that's a hole in it, so I had to replace it. I didn't want to patch it or anything. I wanted to put a new frontal. So this is where I pinned the frontal down, and now I'm going to line it up. So I'm going to ensure that it's laying flat and flush, so that there's no lumps or bumps. So look at it. Look how flat that lays. Your frontal should lay exactly how it was with the old one, because all you did was just take that one off and you're just replacing it with a new one. So just please watch and learn. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. So here's where I'm going to start sewing my frontal down. So as you can see, I'm taking my time so you guys can see what I'm doing really. So I'm trying not to block the view. So I'm just going through the dome cap and through the frontal. As you can see, I'm not going through the tracks, because if I did went through the tracks, maybe I'll have to pull that last track off, or maybe I'll have to end up pulling the entire frontal down, because I don't normally cut my tracks, the entire unit, sorry. So I'm just going through the frontal and through the dome cap, as you can see, and I'm taking my time so you guys can see what I'm doing. So just please watch and learn. And this is very repetitive, so I'm going to speed through it. And guys, look at how flush and flat my frontal is, and look how neat my stitches are. It is always good to have nice, neat, consistent stitches, because that will make or break your wig. So just be patient. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see. And guys, after sewing down each side, it is always good to give it a good knot. So I knot the thread, then tie them together, and then cut the excess off. Reason for doing that is you don't want your artwork to go down the drain, because you don't want your thread to unravel at the. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the inside of it. So this is how the inside look. There is no lumps or bumps. It's just sewn down neat and nice. And I'm gonna go ahead, wash the unit, style it. So I just wash it, flat it out, and then I'm going to install it to my clients. And now this is some bundles that I sell. This is my unit. So this is our, like, what, I think this is our 5th install, and look at this here. It is gorgeous. It is quality over quantity, so you get what you pay for. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Please go ahead and subscribe.